Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we have x to the power of 3 y squared with the square root under x squared plus y squared, xy with the square root x squared plus y squared. They are degree number 3. So this is about homogeneous. And now I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 and we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1 and that is about v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one going here, this one going here, this one going here, and this one going here. dy over dx we change by this one. Now we can do about factorization by x squared. Similar for the second one. Now the square root of x where we have x in here. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify this one. We have v squared x to the power of 3. This one we have vx to the power of 3. Later that we simplify x to the power of 3 for the both sides, and we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by negative v with the square root 1 plus v squared. And now we have like this. Next, I will put about v go to the right and we have negative v. Now we can do common denominator and we have like this. So this one minus this one. And now I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2v. And now we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, This one we change by u. V dv we change by u du. And now we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now, we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have Fn of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.